So I found these wash tubs on the marketplace. I was gonna go buy one at Tractor Supply. One is $54. But I found these on the marketplace, all three of them for $30, and I'm putting together a birthday present for my 3-year-old granddaughter. Putting together this tub. We used to have do kids parties on our farm, and we had a mining sluice where you pan for gems and fossils. So I had some bags left over, and my granddaughter, who's 3, every time we're out, she sticks rocks in my pocket. So I started thinking, what does she like? And she likes rocks. So I went and got this wash tub off the marketplace, and I went and got some of my bags, which are already seasoned with gems. And then this is one of the little sluice pans that came with our thing there. I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna put all these bags. I've got like 4 of them for her. She's gonna have so much fun. And I also have these that were bags of gems that I'm going to put in there for her. I have like some shells in there, and like in this one you could, salt your own bags. So most of these are polished stones, and the other ones are rough cut. So the other bags have like arrowheads and all kinds of gems, even like garnets and emeralds, and rough cut. They're the rocks. So, but anyway, so I'm giving her those. Got one more in my pocket. I'm gonna put all these in there. So I'm thinking, should I take all these and put them in sand so that she can sift them? I think I should. Maybe get a bigger bag, and put sand in there, and then dump all these in there so that it's like an Easter egg, really. So that's what I'm giving her tomorrow for her birthday. She's going to be so excited. I'll let you know how it goes. Sand. It's kind of wet, but I have some play sand here. I'm just going to use for my... Dump these in there. She's only going to be 3, so her attention span is not huge. I'll do that one. We'll seal that up. Do another one. I had these bags left over from shake and bake or something. Look at this rose quartz. Rose quartz. Actually, I have some more. I'm sure she will share with her sisters. Look at this.